How to change Google Chrome's colors with the color and theme setting. For that, go to the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and select this pencil icon to customize your profile. And then here you can name your Chrome profile as well. You can delete it and say it as anything here. Once you have done that, you can pick a theme color, anyone you wish to keep. And after that, you can also pick an avatar for your profile icon. You can keep as panda, penguin, cheese, and many more of your wish. Once you have done that, you can also create desktop shortcut. This will access directly to this profile. You can toggle on the button. Once you have done that, you can open the new tab by clicking on new tab button at the top left corner. And as you can see, our profile icons avatar has also been changed and the Chrome colors has also been changed. In this way, we can easily change Google Chrome's color.
So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it, hit the notification bell for more updates. Thanks and see you in the next video.